First I only joined, sir. Actually, again nobody was there, so again I went back and I was checking the URS code.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. अच्छा, my screen is visible, huh?
Yes, sir.
My screen.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
It's dark, sir.
No. Because whatever I am going to present, that should be visible to all of you.
Okay.
So only few members joined. 8 members. So let us wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
But when I will start, the all you have to switch off your microphone.
Okay.
Not now. Later you can switch off.
Sir, is it possible to record in Google Meet?
I am trying, madam. I will send the recording of this meeting also.
No. When we are taking the class, is it possible to record so that we can send it through mail?
That's what I am telling. I am see. I have not used before that, so I don't know
So
how
some
to
parents they
record.
are
So I
asking
am
according to
testing.
their convenience, they want to show it to their children.
Yes.
They want to record.
I am just a minute, madam. I am testing with this meeting.
Okay.
So recording is possible or not? If recording is possible, then I will explain how to record also.
Yes, sir. अब्बा
Only 10 members.
क्या बोलते हैं हम बताएंगे
किसी का नॉइस आ रहा है बहुत.
मेरे हिसाब से Google में रिकॉर्ड नहीं है.
Hello.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, madam.
I could not see. That's what. I
Hey.
could not hear. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Only 10 members joined. Just wait for 5 minutes, madam.
Hello?
Only 10
Hello?
members joined.
Okay.
Just wait for 5 minutes.
Okay.
क्या?
सिर्फ 5 लोग ज्वाइन किए हैं. थोड़ा 5 मिनट वेट कीजिए, बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay, sure.
My screen is visible, है ना?
Yes.
Okay, because I will explain with my screen only.
Okay.
సార్ చెప్పండి. మరి ఆస్క్ టు జాయిన్ అంటే అది క్లిక్ చేయాలి. ఆస్క్ టు జాయిన్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి. మీది నెట్ ఆన్ ఉందా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చేయండి ఆస్క్ టు జాయిన్ అని. The same problem might be facing, you may be facing with the students also, that all together will not join. Are you
That is
here?
so-
Yes, madam.
That is only the problem. They will join literally at their own time.
So meeting was at 8 and 8 minutes already over.
Okay. Now I have to take class at 9 o'clock for second class.
No problem, madam. We can wind up in 15 to 20 minutes only.
No problem.
Just I want to show how to use Google Meet in 2 ways.
I'm trying to download Google Meet app, but okay, let's see.
But how you connected then app through app only, na?
On my laptop, sir. On my laptop.
Acha, through laptop, Through laptop, app is not required.
Acha, okay.
Directly you can connect through your email.
Okay. How, sir? That
I will show you.
Okay. Let me see your class. Today I prepared number one.
I'll take classes in Andhra. Next tomorrow onwards, I'll go. I'll follow this.
Dastagiri sir. Hello, Dastagiri sir. Can you hear me? Where are you, sir? Unmute your mobile. Unmute your mobile. Dastagiri sir, your mobile is in mute. Unmute and then start speaking.
Okay, now sir?
Now it is
Are you
audible.
Oh, thank you.
They return back to Gachibowli or there only?
Yeah, now tomorrow I'm moving, sir.
Okay.
So, like this only we can maximum how many members we can add it, sir?
100.
100. So, no
Including
problem
you.
for it, sir.
Including you.
Yeah.
That won't include.
So
But
nine-
one thing,
99 students only.
for example, now we are getting backside, no?
Huh?
Direct to face. Can we change this camera mode, sir, here?
Your camera?
For example, now I am getting direct to face selfie camera, no? Is it possible to take a photo camera?
Wait, sir. Manjulata madam.
Sir, you can see me, huh?
Yes, yes.
Acha, you
Yes,
just now
sir.
called me, na?
Yes. Whether this is correct or not, I wanted. You can see me. You can hear me.
I can hear you, madam.
Huh?
I can hear you, madam.
We can hear you.
Kumar sir. Kumar sir.
Yes, madam.
What about those teachers who are teaching 3 sections? They said they'll make a different.
No.
timetable.
Today principal sir called me, and we are going to frame new timetable.
Okay.
And actually, according to the old timetable, only 4 days we engaged all the students. So now we are going to frame new timetable so that all 6 days we can engage all the students.
Okay.
Now only 11 members joined.
Okay, sir.
When I will say switch off all the microphones, please switch off. Now, not now. After when I will start.
Is she no? We can see you now.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Chris, get up. Sir.
Sir, Kumar sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, sir.
Actually, my doubt is, can we change the camera mode? Now we are getting selfie mode, no?
No, sir.
To show
No.
the proof that. Sorry?
No.
We can see sir also.
No.
Sir.
Okay.
We can see sir now. That is it. Then you share his screen, then we can see the screen.
Excuse
No,
me, sir.
screen-
What
Now
I
my
feel,
screen-
if you are
my
using
screen
your
is visible,
laptop
है ना?
direct, you can see. If you are using your mobile, you have to put it in selfie mode.
Sir, my screen is visible.
No.
Dastagiri sir.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
That's what I'm sharing only my screen only. That is why you are seeing my computer screen. Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Start, sir.
But only 11 are there.
Again, we have to go for my class.
Acha, okay.
First class today. So,
See, for Google Meet, please switch off all of your mute your all mobiles. Please mute your all mobiles so that we can start the session. दीपिका रानी मैडम, आपका स्विच ऑफ नहीं हुआ है, अनम्यूट नहीं हुआ है.
So 1 minute.
Sharda madam, you also unmute. Mute. Okay. Now, how to use Google Meet? We have two methods. So I'm going to tell you about first method. So, just a minute. Hello. చెప్పండి సార్. సార్ వాట్సాప్లో నేను లింక్ పంపించిన కదా, అది మీరు క్లిక్ చేసుకోవాలి. అది క్లిక్ వాట్సాప్లో మన కేవీజీబీ స్టాఫ్లో పంపించిన కదా లింకు, అది మీరు క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవాలి త్రూ దాట్ లింక్. మీరు డైరెక్ట్ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేయొద్దు. లేదు, ఫస్ట్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు దాంట్లో ఆస్క్ టు జాయిన్ వస్తుంది, అది క్లిక్ చేయాలి. తొందరగా చేయండి, ఎందుకంటే నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నా, మళ్ళీ 9 నుంచి క్లాసెస్ ఉంది. వాట్సాప్లోనే ఉన్నది. బ్లూది క్లిక్ చేయాలి. లింక్ కాపీడ్ కాదు సార్, ఓపెన్ చేయండి. దానికి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అది అడుగుతుంది దేంట్లో ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. అయితే మీట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. మీట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్వేస్ చేయండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే చేయండి. చేశారా? అది క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను కనబడుతున్నానా? రైట్, ఇక కట్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, good morning to all of you. There are two ways to connect with to create the meeting. The first one is this is the screen of my email, and right side corner there is a small icons. The first one is calendar, and we have to go to calendar.
Sir, we are not able to see you, sir.
Arey madam, I am showing my screen. My screen is visible to you or not?
Now you are visible, sir. Screen is not visible.
My face is not important. Whatever I am doing, that is important. That I want to show you.
We are not able to see, sir.
Now this screen is visible now.
No, sir. Only you are visible.
Acha, wait. Now it is visible?
No, sir. You have left.
Left?
That is visible only.
Visible, madam.
Radha madam.
Yes, sir, it is visible only.
yeah, visible, sir.
Yeah, your screen is showing, sir. Screen visible.
Okay, fine.
But screen is not completely visible. Only one part we can see. That is it.
Actually,
Sir, we are only able to see you, sir. The other folder, other one is we are not able to see. 2 लॉगिन है आपका।
मेरा 2 लॉगिन है।
हाँ, एक में आप दिख रहे हो, एक में एक एरो सिंबल आ रहा है।
अच्छा,
सर गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम।
आप ट्राई करिए सर, आप तो सिर्फ आप ही दिख रहे हो हमको, और
नहीं।
2 दिख रहा है आपका।
अच्छा, 2 दिख रहा है ना, चलिए ठीक है, मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं फिर से ज्वाइन करता हूँ।
आप दिख रहे हो सर अभी?
नहीं, अभी मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द स्क्रीन।
Hi, good morning.
हाय
Whether my screen
ఇక్కడ
is visible
చిన్నోడిని
to you?
చూపెట్టండి కాదు సార్,
Whether my screen is visible to you?
మీ చిన్నోడిని, మీ చిన్నోడిని.
सर ఇంత కష్టం
కదా
బీచ్
అది కప్పాలి
Madam, please, all of you mute your mobile.
No, uncle, no. No.
నువ్వు అంటుందా? అబ్బా, ఆ,
Madam, please mute your mobiles. अभी मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
Yeah, we are getting your screen, sir.
ओके।
ఆ,
अभी सभी लोग को मैं रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग अपना मोबाइल म्यूट में रखें। See, we have 2 methods to create a meeting. The first one is that through calendar. See, right side corner, one small icons are there in my email. For the first one is calendar. We have to click on calendar. After clicking calendar, the dates will be open. See, this is the 22nd date, and 8 to 9 already I set one meeting. So I want to set at 4 p.m. for example. So there I have to click. Okay, and we can write any title for that. For example, I am writing online class for class 10th. And here a small option is there, add Google Meet video conferencing. There you have to click. If you click, one small copy meeting link icon will be created. You have to click that icon. So the link is copied successfully. Now that link you can share it with anyone. Those who you are willing to join your classes. Okay, and this is the first way, and whoever joined in that Google Meet, through either through mail also they can join, also through mail or through app also. But for mobile they have to install a separate app. And for email, in the left hand side, two options are there, start a meeting and join a meeting. They have to click on join a meeting. So meeting code will be asked. That meeting code we have to enter here. So this is the one way to join the meeting, right? To create the meeting. And the other way is that now I'm going back to your screen. This is the first way. If anybody want to ask me regarding this one, please you can raise your hand, or you can unmute and ask, but one at a time.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
Sir?
Yes, madam.
Once we go into that meet symbol icon, isn't it in the laptop? I'm asking you, but there it is coming only start a meeting and enter meeting code.
Start meeting and join a meeting. Two options are there.
Join is not there. Join is not highlighting. Start it. Premium meet. Okay, this is not. I think premium video meetings now free for everyone.
Yeah.
So there, start meeting or enter meeting code. Next to join is not getting highlighted.
Okay, no problem. Actually, your browser is not the updated one. If the latest browser will be there, that option will be there. Two options will be there: start a meeting and join a meeting.
Okay, enter me. Join meeting. It's not there. Okay, let me see.
No problem, madam. Enter meet. It is there. Meeting. It is there. If you enter that code.
That code where we have to give.
Enter meeting code.
That code where we have to give.
No, you have to share with mobile, है ना? That code.
Okay. From where do we get this code? I'm asking you. Where we have to?
Just,
how do we know?
madam, just
What
now.
is the meeting?
Arey, just now I shown you na through calendar. We have to make.
Okay. We have to make the code.
Whether you have seen that process.
Okay.
Whether you have seen. Otherwise, I will show once again.
Okay, once again, just please.
Okay. This is the screen of email. This is visible to you, madam? Padmavati madam. Padmavati madam.
1 minute, sir. I'm switching off my microphone. I'll see.
This is visible to you?
I could not see.
Now my screen, my email screen.
Now I could not see. 1 minute. I don't. Yes, now I can see.
Yes, in the right side, small icons are there. The first icon is calendar.
Okay, calendar.
You have to click on calendar and see here timings are there for today's timing and for tomorrow's timing. Suppose I want to create one meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. So I have to click on 4 p.m. This 4 p.m. is visible to you?
Yes.
There you have to click. Okay.
Okay.
See, timing is given here 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
So you have to make any title for I'm making online class for class 10th.
Okay.
Right. Now here one option is there. Add Google Meet video conferencing.
Okay.
You have to click on that.
Okay.
When you click, then one small copy link icon will be created.
Okay.
That you have to click.
Oh.
So link will be copied. Now that link you can save it in your Gmail. See, I'm saving this link.
Okay.
Now this link you can share through WhatsApp to the children.
Okay.
Now it is not over. You have to save this meeting. Here one save icon is there. It is visible, madam?
Can't see clearly, sir. That is the problem.
No. Whether this save option is visible to you here?
No.
In the bottom it is there. If you click, then your meeting will be appear here. Okay, madam?
Hello?
Yes.
Kumar sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, the meeting is for 1 hour, no, sir. It is showing 9 to 10 a.m.
Madam, Google Meet is free for 1 hour only.
No. What I'm asking, yes. Beyond that, we cannot.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, I am getting direct to your face only. What you are showing all this on screen, I could not able to see that screen.
Sir, maybe your network problem is there because I think all are able to see the screen because I have shared the screen.
Okay. So we'll try, sir. Today we'll try it.
No problem. I will share this video recording to all of you so that you can see also.
Is it possible to whatever the meeting is going on now? Is it recording or?
Sir, today I am testing this recording.
Okay.
If it is successful, then I will explain how to record.
Right. Thank you, sir.
So, in this way, we have to create meeting. So, whether I am audible to all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
you are audible.
तो मैडम यहाँ पे 4 to 5 के लिए हम लोग सेट कर लिए हैं. Similarly, you can set the timing for 2 to 3 and
Yes.
whatever the time you require. This is the one way to create meeting and to share the meeting. Okay. Now I am going to show you the other way to start the meeting.
Kumar sir,
Yes, madam.
you have set only for 1 hour. We cannot extend, isn't it?
Madam, Google Meet is available for only 1 hour. If
Not
it-
more than that?
Yes, if they made it for 2 hours, 2 hour slot we can make.
But it is not made.
Yes, madam, it will not be available.
Okay. Thank you.
And now only 15 members are there. So this first method is clear to all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to explain the second method to start the meeting. And that meeting is live meeting. So you have to send the invitation to all the students. Okay? You have to send the invitation to all the students through email. So there is a option in the left hand side, start a meeting. Whether it is visible to you?
Yeah, sir.
If you click start a meeting, then one separate window will be open. Okay? And it is getting
Yeah,
ready. This when you have to use when you have to start the class immediately after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay, that means today we can use this now, sir.
मैडम सुनिए
Because
पहले
9 o'clock and 9 o'clock we have to take the class, means today you can use this option.
नो
What?
आपके पास ईमेल एड्रेस है सबका
है?
हाँ, है ना?
तो
हाँ सर है.
वेट लेकिन ईमेल एड्रेस जो है वो सबका जीमेल है, वर्किंग है.
Gmail, most of them have Gmail only, sir.
Okay,
अभी
okay.
4-5 का शायद नहीं होगा.
हाँ तो आप इसमें से क्या करेंगे, आप ज्वाइन नाउ है ना,
हाँ.
उसमें आपको क्लिक करना है. क्लिक करने के बाद एक और विंडो ओपन होगा.
ओके.
यहाँ पे ऐड पीपल है, देखिए
ऐड पीपल है. हाँ सर.
दिख रहा है सबको?
हाँ सर, दिख रहा है.
तो ऐड
सर
पीपल.
अभी सारे को हमको ऐड करना है.
वेट मैडम,
ऑल ईमेल आईडी जो है,
जब ऐड पीपल जब आएगा ऑप्शन, तो इसमें सारे ईमेल्स को कॉपी करना है.
ओके.
तो अभी क्या है ना, आप एक अलग से फाइल बना के रख लो अपने पास सारे ईमेल्स का. तो क्या करना है, डायरेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट कर देने से हो जाएगा.
ओके.
दिस इज द इजी वे टू ज्वाइन विथ एवरीबडी. सो अभी क्या है ना, जितने लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं सबको मैं एडमिट कर रहा हूँ. You are asking to join and I am admitting all of you.
ओके.
तो जैसे अभी यहाँ पे मैंने एक ईमेल क्लिक कर दिया, उसके बाद सेंड ईमेल करके है. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी ईमेल्स मैं ऐड कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पे. क्लियर है?
यस सर, क्लियर है.
हाँ, तो ये वाला कब करना है आपको, जब मीटिंग आपको इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करना है 5 या 10 मिनट में, तब ये वाला मेथड आप यूज कर सकते हैं. और इसके लिए उनको
So they have to,
वेट सर,
after invitation they have to check it, no sir?
वेट सर.
हाँ, that's what.
सुनिए, आप जब इनविटेशन भेज देंगे तो आपको मैसेज करना पड़ेगा कि प्लीज चेक योर मेल करके।
ओके ओके हाँ
तो इसमें बेनिफिट क्या है बता रहा हूँ। द स्टूडेंट्स नीड नॉट टू आस्क टू ज्वाइन,
Acha, many of them can join together. without
directly they can join. Madam,
individually.
listen me first. This option is very good because whatever the link I shared with you, all of you, through WhatsApp, through that madam, through that one option was there, asked to join. Hello, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, मनी बाबू सर, नाउ जस्ट नाउ ही जॉइंड। सी दिस एडमिट ऑप्शन इज विजिबल टू यू। अभी मैंने एडमिट किया था, दिखा आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो अभी अगर बच्चा बार बार आस्क टू ज्वाइन करेगा, जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स, तो आपको बार बार एडमिट करना पड़ेगा और बीच बीच क्लास में आपको एडमिट करते रहना पड़ेगा। Whenever the class is going on, you have to admit because all children will not join together.
Okay.
Right?
सर वो
अभी
पहला वाला ऑप्शन बेटर है ना?
मैडम, पहला वाला ऑप्शन व्हाट्सएप, वो कैलेंडर वाला।
हाँ।
Yes.
मैडम
हाँ, हम
कैलेंडर,
पहले बच्चों को दे सकते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन।
मैडम सुनिए पहले,
कोड भेज सकते हैं ना?
लिसन मी
सर
फर्स्ट।
वो ज्वाइन कर लेगा।
उसका डिसएडवांटेज बता रहा हूँ मैं। अभी मेरा क्लास डिस्टर्ब हुआ था, मनी बाबू सर भेजे आस्क टू ज्वाइन,
एक ज्वाइन होते रहते हैं।
तो बार बार एडमिट करना पड़ेगा मुझे, बार बार मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन छोड़ के मैं एडमिट करना पड़ेगा। तो फर्स्ट वाले में बोल रहा हूँ।
ओके।
तो इसमें ऑप्शन में क्या बेनिफिट है कि आप एक बार इनविटेशन लिंक भेज दिए तो दे कैन ज्वाइन डायरेक्टली विदाउट आस्किंग टू ज्वाइन।
बट
कोई भी ज्वाइन कर सकता है सर।
मैडम, जिसको मेल भेज रहे हो वही ज्वाइन कर सकता है, नॉट
इसका
अदर्स।
ईमेल सर।
वॉट एवर ईमेल यू विल टाइप, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे एक ईमेल ये टाइप कर दिया और दूसरा ईमेल, एक मिनट।
बट सर सभी बच्चों का ईमेल चालू नहीं है सर।
हाँ, तो
कुछ
मैं
लोगों का ऐसे ही है,
मैं
fake
साहू
है।
मैडम को यही तो पूछ रहा था कि सबका ईमेल है क्या। तो मैडम उसके लिए बता रहा हूँ, टुडे आई प्रिपेयर्ड वन गूगल फॉर्म टू सेंड ईमेल एड्रेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। That means to fill the email address to my students, class 9th and class 10th. तो working email. तो
sir, they keep changing their email addresses.
मैडम,
We had that problem.
मैडम
They keep changing the mail address.
listen me first. Now, whatever the email, the active email with them, they will share that only, na? Because we are clearly instructing that through that only we are going to send the invitation.
Okay.
So I will show you that Google form also today, which I have shared. Just a minute, madam. The screen is visible to you, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kumar sir, Kumar sir,
Yes, madam.
can we send the invitation through the WhatsApp?
No. Direct invitation we can't send through WhatsApp.
Okay.
Only WhatsApp means, see, I have prepared. Just a minute, madam. Madam, ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ చెప్తాం నేను that Google form I will explain.
Okay.
See, this Google form I sent to class 9. I asked everybody to write name and to check whether it is 9th B or C, then email used for sending invitation and WhatsApp number again. So like that we can send one Google form to collect all the email address, then only we can start that process, this one. But what I feel, this is the easy one. Otherwise, in between, everybody will ask to join. Whether this method is clear to all of you? whether this method is clear to all of you?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
That for this method we cannot set the meeting before 1 hour, na, sir?
नहीं मैडम, ये इमीडिएट
हाँ,
आपको
तो-
स्टार्ट करते समय
हाँ सर, अगर मान लीजिए 10-15 मिनट में बच्चा ईमेल चेक नहीं करता है तो ही कैन नॉट ज्वाइन।
कर सकता है ना, बाद में लेट से ज्वाइन करेगा वो।
नहीं सर, हमेशा हम मेल चेक नहीं करते हैं ना, हम खुद ही कितना मेल चेक नहीं करते हैं। मान
मैडम,
लीजिए बच्चा 15 मिनट में मेल
मैडम,
चेक नहीं किया तो
इसलिए बोल
वो
रहा हूँ
ज्वाइन
मैं।
नहीं कर
मैडम,
पाएगा, यही है ना सर इसका मतलब।
लिसन मी फर्स्ट, आपने टाइम टेबल दिया है सारे बच्चों को ना?
टाइम टेबल तो सर्कुलेट कर दिया है।
कर दिए ना, बच्चे को मालूम है 4 से 5, जैसे मेरा आज मैथ्स क्लास है, तो अगर मैं
Okay.
3:45 बजे 3:45 को यदि मैं मैसेज कर रहा हूँ व्हाट्सएप में, प्लीज चेक योर मेल फॉर इन्विटेशन, सो बच्चा क्यों चेक
Okay.
नहीं करेगा मेल?
ओके,
सो बच्चे को पहले क्लियर होना चाहिए ना कि आज क्लास है और सर इनविटेशन भेजेंगे करके, देन ओनली ही विल चेक द मेल, अदरवाइज व्हाई ही विल चेक द मेल? Normally, I
that's
agree
what-
that many are not checking the mail frequently. But if they know
Yes.
the timing, why they will not check the mail?
ओके।
सबके पास टाइम टेबल है तो डेफिनेटली चेक करेंगे ना, सर लिंक भेजेंगे मैं चेक करूंगा, हर 5 मिनट में चेक करते रहेगा बच्चा।
हाँ, वो तो करना चाहिए, मतलब पेरेंट्स उतना वो होना चाहिए। छोटे बच्चे तो सेकंड थर्ड के तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है।
हाँ, तो आप
बड़ा
नहीं,
तो खुद ही check कर लेगा।
आप ना मैडम
इसलिए
देखिए,
पेरेंट्स की प्रेजेंस कंपलसरी रख दिए ना।
आप ना प्रॉब्लम को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। इसमें मेल से क्या हो रहा है कि आपका क्लास डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा, जो बच्चा बीच में ज्वाइन करेगा वो
हाँ,
ऑटोमेटिकली
that
ज्वाइन
is
करता
what-
जाएगा।
हाँ, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अलाउड हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
ओके,
लेकिन आप अगर
लेकिन
व्हाट्सएप
इसमें एडमिट करना पड़ेगा ना।
व्हाट्सएप में अगर आप भेजोगे तो बार बार एडमिट क्लिक करते रहना पड़ेगा। और मान लो आपके क्लास
हाँ
में
सर, बच्चा
क्लास
हाँ
में
सर, वो
55
सेम मेल
स्टूडेंट्स
आईडी
हैं।
एवरी टाइम हम यूज करेंगे बच्चे के लिए, वही है ना जो आप पहले से वो भेज के रखा होगा हमको, जो हमने ऐड किया है।
नहीं समझा मैं, फिर से बोलिए मैडम।
सर, अपना मेल आईडी हम दूसरे मेल आईडी से हम लॉगिन हो सकते हैं ना?
दूसरे लॉगिन मतलब दूसरे मेल
मतलब
आईडी?
हमारा अगर जीमेल 2 है तो हम कहीं भी मेल आईडी से लॉगिन हो सकते हैं ना सर, उसमें क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
उन बस बच्चे को पता रहना चाहिए ना कौन सा मेल से आप भेज रहे हो, दैट यू हैव टू क्लियर।
ओके,
क्योंकि उसमें आपका नाम आएगा, जैसे मैं अभी मेरी माय वाइफ का यूज करता हूँ तो उसमें MS पूर्णिमा करके नाम आता है, देखिए स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है।
यस,
हाँ,
दिख रहा है।
तो वहां से मैं अगर लॉगिन करूंगा तो फिर वो उसको कैसे पता चलेगा कि सर ने भेजा है करके?
जब गूगल मीट का आएगा पता होना चाहिए टाइम से, 15 मिनट
तो
पहले। ठीक है सर, देखते हैं।
आपको पहले से बच्चे
क्योंकि
को
सर वो मेल आईडी भर भी तो जा रहा है एक कभी, क्योंकि ये कितना दिन का क्लास चलेगा पता नहीं ना सर।
नहीं इसमें भरता नहीं है, इसमें क्या भरेगा? ये तो आप रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं कर रहे हैं
नहीं,
ना।
इसमें नहीं भरेगा क्योंकि हम वर्कशीट वगैरह भी उसी में भेज के पहले से ही वो भरा हुआ है। नया मेल आईडी से लॉगिन होना चाहती हूँ मैं।
नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है, तो नया ईमेल आप अपने नाम पे बनाइए ताकि बच्चे को आपका नाम ही दिखे।
हाँ, वही।
तो और कोई क्वेरी है तो मैं क्लियर करूंगा,
Kumar
अदरवाइज।
sir,
यस मैडम।
one doubt I'm having.
यस मैडम।
Can we upload any PowerPoint presentation or recorded video in this meeting?
मैडम, I want to show one, madam, I want to
PPT or recorded video?
just a minute. I want to show one presentation right now. Whether it is
Okay.
visible to you or not, you just tell me. Okay. See, I am opening the PowerPoint presentation.
No.
Through meeting only I am opening. Okay. How I opened
Okay.
that also I will share with you.
Okay.
Sharing the screen.
Wait, madam. Sir, good morning, sir. సార్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా సార్ నేను, ఒక్క 10 minutes తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాను మీకు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Now this PowerPoint is opening. I am going to show one PowerPoint. Manjulata madam,
Sir.
my screen is visible to you, na?
Yes, screen is visible.
So what you have to do when all the students will join, na? And when you are going to start your lesson, you can open PowerPoint presentation or any video also. But before that, you have to present your entire screen. What I did.
Okay.
Just now I presented my entire screen, and how to present that also I will explain you.
Entire screen means you have to come out of the screen, no sir?
No. I will tell you. Don't worry. I will tell you, madam, how to share your screen. That I will tell you.
Okay.
First, I will just start the PowerPoint. Then I will explain how to share.
Okay.
So this is the lesson which I already completed day before yesterday. It is visible, madam. Various types of angles, acute angle.
Yes.
Visible, hai na?
Yes, visible.
So student will be also able to see whatever you are presenting. Okay, now how to present that I am going to explain.
See, one small doubt.
Yes, madam.
While presenting this, we can speak and they will hear. Suppose I am showing this slide, various types of angles.
Madam, I am speaking, I am speaking to you.
Okay.
Through Meet only we are interacting with each other, na?
Okay.
So just I am giving one demonstration. Okay, please see this one. Various types of angles. First type is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Right? This is the small example of figure. Okay.
Explanation video.
Like that you can explain while presenting your PowerPoint presentation. Or any video also you can play. For example, I am going to play one video. Okay. That also I will show you. Wait, madam. I am playing one video.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir.
बोलिए मैडम.
Kumar sir.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
बोलिए मैडम, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
Sir. While showing your PowerPoint, we cannot see you. Both together we can't see.
No.
Sir.
When you are presenting your
From desktop, how to bring it to this Meet? That you tell me. My PPT is on desktop. How to bring to this Meet?
Sir.
Yes, madam.
You asked my name. Actually, while you are showing your PPT, you are explaining your PPT, but we can see the only PPT. We cannot see you.
Yes. But madam, you are showing the PPT, na, not your face.
Okay. Actually, that is not there in Google Meet.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Sir.
Zoom, you can see yourself also. Okay.
Yes, Srinivas sir.
From the
Srinivas sir.
desktop, how to bring it to the Meet? That pathway you tell me. Where to click and what to type over there.
Sir, is screen sharing possible?
Sir, that see my I am showing one video. Manjulata madam.
Sir, I am seeing.
One video I am presenting. This is actually today's lesson. Welcome to session number 2 of chapter number 6, Lines and Angles of Class 9 Mathematics. In the previous session, we have discussed all the you can pause and you can explain our theoretical portion along with one theorem. Now,
sir, I want to know how to bring it to the Meet. Where to click and what to type. Suppose my PPT video is on my desktop.
Yes.
How to share the PPT.
Madam, before starting Meet, you have to open your PPT. Otherwise, your computer may be hang also.
1 minute. Before starting the Meet, I must open.
Yes, you have to open and ready the PowerPoint presentation or video also, whatever you want to share.
Okay.
Because now,
Must open and keep.
now see, for showing PowerPoint presentation, I opened the PowerPoint, then I opened the VLC player, so it will take time for that also.
Okay.
So better you
Okay.
ready everything, and how to present that I'm showing you. See here, you are presenting, it is there icon.
Where icon? Meeting details.
No. My screen. You see my screen.
Yes. You are presenting to everyone is given.
Yes. So here, stop presenting, because I am already in sharing option, sharing position. That is why it is not showing that share with screen.
Okay.
But you check on your three buttons, press your screen.
Okay.
మీరు మీ స్క్రీన్ లో చెక్ చేయండి, ప్రెసెంట్ నౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ దేర్.
అక్కడ ఇదా present, stop presenting.
No, not my madam, your screen.
My screen.
Okay, I'm stop presenting, then you can see.
Kumar sir presenting.
Wait.
Wait.
Now check madam.
Which one?
Present now it is there.
Yes.
Now if you click on present now, one option is there, your entire screen.
Yes.
You click there.
Click on that.
You click there. One small dialog box will be open.
Yes.
You select that and click OK. Okay madam.
Okay sir.
Now whatever you will open, we can see that your screen.
Okay.
The student can share his screen to us also.
Okay.
Right madam?
Okay sir, thank you.
So this way, if you share your screen, Manjulata madam.
Sir.
When after sharing your screen, you can open your PowerPoint presentation or video. You can start teaching, start explaining.
Okay sir. Okay.
Any other doubts? Because time is going
Sir.
to. Yes sir.
Sir, please repeat.
Which one sir?
How to bring the open file to the screen?
Sir, PowerPoint presentation or video, whatever you have, that you have to open before starting the meet.
Okay.
After opening, you see your Google Meet right hand side, one present now option is there.
Yes.
Okay, right hand side, one present now option is there. You click on that sir.
Okay.
If you click on that, one option is there, your entire screen.
Okay.
Yes. If you click on that, click on that sir.
Okay. Present now.
Then one dialog box will be there, you have to present. After clicking that, your screen will be visible to us.
Okay, for all the students.
Yeah. So teacher also can share the screen to all the students, and any particular student also can share his screen to the teacher.
Okay. By showing the screen, our explanation can be followed.
Yes sir. But before that, before starting your class, what you have to do, you have to tell all the students to mute the this microphone, because now also I'm hearing so much noise, so that would be not there while presenting your class.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Any other doubts?
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, Dastagiri sir.
So it is better to use in laptop only. More benefits are there, no?
Yes,
instead of mobile.
If you for teacher, if you use in laptop, then only you can share videos, PowerPoints, anything. Any other doubts?
Sir, we don't have laptop, so how can
you can use it through desktop also, madam. But your video is not visible to you, the children.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Because 9 बजने वाला है, फिर आपको क्लास स्टार्ट करना है.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No doubts are there.
अभी सिखा
Yes, sir.
कुमार सर, अभी सिखा के 4-5 मिनट में क्लास स्टार्ट करना है.
I will send the recording also, sir. I'm trying to record this whatever the interaction we had, na, that I'm going to record also, and I will share that recording also.
Okay.
So shall I wind up this session?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. God bless
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning, principal sir. Sir, mic is mute, sir. Mic is mute.
Mute లో ఉంది.
Sir, మీ mic mute లో ఉంది.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
now
you, sir.
I'm going to wind up the session. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you to all of you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
None.